How to maintain your top position on Google quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can maintain your top position on Google. So let's get into it. Now, there are two tools that I like to use to just overall analyze my Google web pages and to see what my competitors are doing and where my own web page is. And those two tools are the free SEO tools provided by Ahrefs as well as the Chrome extension called keywordseverywhere.com. So click on install for Chrome and then you will be led to the Chrome web store where you can simply install it to your Chrome browser, and then you can just go on to the Ahrefs web page and get to their free SEO tools. Now, let's say that you have got these two free tools and you want to begin analyzing your keywords that you are targeting and you want to rank on the top page of Google. And once you have done that, you notice that your ranking is dropping. You might see like, oh, I was on the second page of Google, now I'm on the third one. Why is my ranking dropping? I optimized my web page. How can this happen? Well, just optimizing your web page for SEO is not enough for you to be able to hold your ranking on Google. For you to be able to hold your ranking on Google, you need to have a strong DA. What is DA, you might wonder? Well, I have Keywords Everywhere installed over here, which allows me to browse the keyword or SEO metrics of all of these websites. So you can see on the bottom right of every link, you can see DA, and DA basically means domain authority or domain ranking. That means the total number of backlinks that the domain is getting, as well as you can also browse the referring domains and the reference links. So you can see over here, Nordstrom has over 11 million backlinks, even though their specific website for coats and jackets does not have any specific backlinks. So this is one thing that you need to keep in mind whenever you are trying to retain your ranking on Google. That you need to maintain a high DA, and that means backlinks for your entire website, not just a specific website or a specific page on your website. The second thing that you need to do to maintain your ranking on Google is that you need to monitor your competitors. Let's say I was ranking number one for a specific keyword, and let's say that keyword is lightweight gel sunscreen. So you can see over here, I've searched for lightweight gel sunscreen and these are the top results. So what can I do to maintain a top position in a keyword like this? It is relatively difficult, however, it is not that difficult and it is a bit niched out as compared to some of the more broad categories. Well, what you're actually going to do is you're going to click on show backlinks of your competitors, and if there are no backlinks for this specific web page, you can also do it for the subdomain, but you're just going to click on show backlinks. Just take a look at the backlinks for any of these websites. So you can see this website has multiple different backlinks, and what you're just going to do once you browse your competitors backlinks is that you're going to open up the websites that are backlinking to them. So this is a website called stylecaster.com, and this is an article published by Mia McGuire, and it is on the best sunscreen for oily and blemish prone skin. And what you can do is that you can contact the writer. You can easily find their email or their webpage, Instagram. You can easily contact these writers and be like, hey, I saw your article on sunscreens and I would be interested if you add my sunscreen or try out my sunscreen as well, and I would love to hear feedback from you. And this will get the writer to write about your sunscreen or add your product or backlink to your product as well. So you can be like, hey, try our product out, and if you find it nice or if you found it to be effective for you, please add us or backlink to our website as well. And more often than not, you can get a couple of backlinks using this simple technique. You don't have to constantly email these writers, just giving one basic pitch email and then a follow-up email where you're like, hey, have you gotten my email? If they have not replied, and just send one simple email, and after that a singular follow-up email. And if they are not replying, you don't want to spam these writers. That is not going to help you get more backlinks. Instead, they will be less prone to backlink to your website. Now you can see that we have other websites backlinking over here as well, and we can just go on ahead and talk to the writers and be like, hey, I saw your article, and simply just pitch your product. That is it. That is what you need to do to build backlinks. So you're just going to search for the keywords that you are ranking for, and you're going to build more backlinks. That is the technique to maintain your position on Google. And if you feel like your ranking is dropping, it is probably because you are losing backlinks. So let's say that if I search for another keyword, let's say I just search for fashion. So if I search for fashion over here, you can see the top websites are obviously Vogue and super high ranking websites, but you have other websites ranking over here as well. And you can easily see that they have so many different backlinks, and you all can easily get these websites to link back to you as well, simply because if they are writing about your competitors, they are probably writing about that specific niche or topic, and you can be like, hey, I saw that you wrote an article about, this website, and we provide a similar service. Maybe you could include us in your list as well and link to us over here, and you can build your backlinks in that way. So this is going to be a simple technique where you analyze your competitors and you build backlinks from the backlinks that they are getting, and this will help you retain your position. Because if you want to retain your position, unless you're a conglomerate with a super high domain authority or domain ranking, it is going to be rather difficult for you to be able to hold your position in Google. So you need to continuously build more backlinks as you go. And as content gets older, the fewer backlinks you will organically get. So you will have to reach out to people to build your backlinks. Another great way to maintain your ranking is to target multiple keywords. You can see with each keyword you have related keywords, you have people also search for, and trending keywords. So update your articles to target the more trending keywords. Always update articles after 1 year or 2 years, because after 6 months, the trend cycle renews itself. So you want to be able to target the newest keywords that are now being searched, that have higher search volumes, and you want to be ahead of the trend. You don't want to be, targeting keywords that became old a couple of months ago. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.